Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4-wheel drive. Stock number B9727PA. 98,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Bright silver metallic in color. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle. To the Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Rear seats recline for greater comfort, as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Hitch and wiring. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Additional underfloor storage with the removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Laredo has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Dual zone temperature control makes sure everyone's comfortable. Automatic transmission with electronic range select, and lots of storage space in the armrest, along with a large glove box on the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee is a 3.6 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, new brakes, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information on this Grand Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.